guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a new release. Unfortunately, it is just a kit and not a kit in date dots. For some reason, this clear paper is giving me so much trouble that it's not consistent enough for me to release it. So we're here with a kit, and I'm super excited about this kit. Just a little bummed out from the date dots. So this one is the Pirate's Life, and I love it so much. It's a little bit different than kind of the kits I've been releasing lately, and I'm okay with that. So if you notice, we have a little bit of a format change. We're adding a few more functional and took down the deco a little bit, so it's a little bit smaller. Added a couple more functional icons, so we're getting more functional than fully like super decorative, because everything else is already decorative. So I want to give you as much as possible. That way you can use it across 2 weeks or 1 week, however you guys choose. So that is the functional page, and that's not in the correct order, but sneak peek. Here we are. I'm so excited for this. This is not normal like a kit I would do, but I fell in love with it. So this is all about the foil. 100%. We have like this with like a little bit of lightning. So I have it like coming down like it's lightning. I have like this scary skull that I only, instead of putting the skull there like this, it was actually that skull. No, it was this one. So it was this skull right here, and I originally had it there, and I was like, it looks so cool, but I think it looked better without the skull. So it's kind of just like the outline of it. And then we had to have the map with some of the fading foil. So technically you could cut that and like space out your foil. Then you have your skull with the foil on the inside, and then you have this nice solid captain's wheel. So I love this so much. I just thought it was something that kind of was like, bam, there's your foil. And then I love this little quote is, "Not all treasure is silver and gold," and then it has a little treasure chest. And then we have the flag with the foil, and then we have like the medallion with foil in the background. So those are the full boxes. And then we come with the ombre boxes or checklist boxes, which is the same medallion with that kind of map pattern in the background. Get these out of the way. And then we did a lot of watercolor on this kit. So by we, I mean me, because I'm the only one. I just like saying we. So I love this so much. You guys know I'm into texture. Texture. So this foil is like right up my alley. So you can see there's like kind of that watercolor texture, and I brought it throughout the kit as well. So this is super fun. And then we have the sidebar here, then some more functional, some of the half boxes, and then I brought in a little bit of red because there's a little bit of red I have in the deco and some of the accents, but I didn't want to overwhelm the red. And then last but not least, I worked so long on it, and it's upside down, but I worked so long on this bottom washi, even though it's pretty simple, but I worked so long and so hard, and it's so good. Ta-da! I know it's super simple, but like, I love it so much. So, you know how the maps that you see from like all the movies, that you have to do something to like unlock the map? So that's what I did. I have like the map, what you would normally look as the map, and then it's like we unlocked the map, and then these are the different paths they have to go to. The false X marks the spot, but it's really down here. So I'm just in love. And then I did bring some foil down there because I really enjoyed the foil on the bottom, like to kind of go with glitter headers. So that is the full kit. Here is the mini kit, and I love it just as much. You guys know I'm pretty much a mini kit user. Unless I'm doing a no white space, then it is a full kit for me. So this is the functional page. Again, we have the 2 rows of functional, the icons weekend banner, then we have 8 little checklists. Same with kind of the appointment flags, normal flags, and some headers and littles. And then same full boxes. I love them so, so, so much. And then we have, again, the same functional on the side and the same bottom washi. So the only thing that is, I guess, different in the mini kit is the functional page, because you kind of have to do a little bit more functional than like this. You can go a little bit more colorful and like add a little extra, where this I kind of just give you a little bit that you can put like on the top if you wanted to. So yeah, these are the kits. I hope you guys really like them. I have like 3 more kits that are a little bit more bright and airy, where this one is not quite as bright, but like, I did it again. Why is that? It's like, mentally I can't get past it. But it's just so fun. Like that skull, I just really, like, I felt this kit. I was feeling it. So the kits are up and ready to go, and I am still running that 15% off. If you guys want to pick these up for $50 or more, they are still discounted in the regular price. So I feel like people are like, well, why is it $50? It's because these are already discounted for like the normal price now, and then the $50 essentially, it's more of a bulk order to get that deeper discount. So that makes 4 foiled kits, I believe, in my shop. So if you want to pick up more than one, I promise I picked it up that time. It didn't magically go away. I just love this kit so much. I think it's a little bit different than what's kind of available right now, and I'm really happy to be a little bit different. Although the next couple releases that I'm like feeling like I'm obsessed are from the main shops, but it'll have foil, so mine will be different, but just not like super different. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.